Ever thought about hopping through the Greek islands? Well, you're in for a treat. This video is your go-to guide filled with practical advice and a dash of humor to make your Greek island hopping adventure smooth and unforgettable. We'll be tackling everything from choosing the perfect mix of islands to packing essentials and even how to navigate the local transport system, so buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. Firstly, the success of your adventure heavily depends on choosing the right islands. Now, the Greek archipelago is home to over 2,000 islands, each with its unique charm and allure. Selecting the right islands for your trip is like carefully crafting a melody. You want a harmonious blend of different notes to create a symphony of experiences. Consider factors like proximity, activities, and atmosphere when making your selection. The distance between islands can vary significantly. Choosing islands that are closer to one another can save you time and make your journey smoother. Next up, think about the kind of activities you enjoy. Do you love to bask in the sun on sandy beaches, hike through rugged landscapes, or delve into rich history and culture? Each island offers a unique mix of activities. For example, Crete, the largest Greek island, is a treasure trove of ancient ruins, magnificent landscapes, and vibrant cities. Atmosphere is another crucial factor. Some islands like Mykonos are famed for their lively nightlife and cosmopolitan vibe. On the other hand, islands like Ikaria or Folegandros offer a more laid-back and authentic Greek lifestyle, where you can slow down and immerse yourself in the local culture. Popular islands like Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete are often the first that come to mind, and for good reason. They offer a diverse range of experiences, from the breathtaking sunsets of Santorini to the buzzing nightlife of Mykonos and the diverse landscapes of Crete. However, remember to balance these bustling hotspots with quieter, less touristy islands. These hidden gems may not be as famous, but they offer a chance to experience Greece away from the crowds in a more intimate and authentic way. Choosing a blend of both types of islands will give you a taste of the vibrant energy and the peaceful tranquility that Greece has to offer. This balance will enrich your journey, giving you a more comprehensive and diverse experience of the Greek archipelago. Remember, the ideal mix of islands will make your journey well-rounded and unforgettable. Now let's talk about packing. It can make or break your island hopping experience. Imagine stepping out onto the sun-drenched deck of a ferry, only to realize you've forgotten your sunscreen. Or picture yourself ready to explore an ancient ruin, but you've packed only flip-flops. Avoid these common pitfalls by packing wisely for your Greek island adventure. First and foremost, sunscreen is your best friend on the sun-kissed islands of Greece. A broad-spectrum sunscreen protects your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Don't forget to reapply throughout the day, especially after a dip in the crystal-clear waters. Speaking of water, swimwear is a must. Whether you're lounging on a beach in Mykonos or taking a spontaneous swim off the coast of a secluded island, you'll want to have your swim gear handy. Comfortable shoes are another essential. From cobblestone streets to rugged hiking trails, the Greek islands are full of varied terrains. A pair of sturdy yet comfortable walking shoes can save your feet from unnecessary discomfort. And let's not forget a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial in the Mediterranean heat. A refillable water bottle is not only eco-friendly, but it also ensures you always have water at your disposal. Lastly, keep your packing light and versatile. Opt for clothing that can transition from day to night and from beach to taverna. A sarong, for instance, can double as a beach blanket or a wrap for cooler evenings. So pack wisely, and you'll be prepared for any adventure that comes your way. Moving on to transportation, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the options available. Greek islands are connected by a network of ferries, catamarans, and flights, each offering its own unique flavor of adventure. Ferries are the most common way to travel between islands, providing a leisurely pace to soak in the stunning Aegean views. For those seeking a faster connection, catamarans are a great choice, zipping from one island to the next in less time. And of course, for the ultimate convenience, consider taking a flight. Now, when it comes to booking your tickets, a word to the wise. During the bustling summer months, these modes of transport can fill up fast. So, it's a smart move to book your tickets in advance, ensuring you secure your spot and avoid any last-minute scrambles. But here's the thing about island hopping. It's not always a straight line from A to B. Sometimes the weather can throw a curveball, or a ferry might change its schedule. That's why it's important to keep a flexible mindset. Check the schedules regularly, and don't be afraid to adjust your travel plans if needed. Remember, it's the unexpected detours that often lead to the most unforgettable experiences. So, there you have it. By understanding your transportation options, booking in advance, and staying adaptable, you're setting yourself up for a seamless journey through the Greek islands. Plan ahead, stay adaptable, and your island hopping experience will be a smooth one. One of the best parts of any travel adventure is exploring the local cuisine. Now imagine yourself on a Greek island, the salty sea breeze in your hair, the warm sun on your skin, and the tantalizing aroma of sizzling souvlaki wafting through the air. This is not just a vacation, but a sensory journey that takes you right to the heart of Greece's rich culinary traditions. Let's start with moussaka, a hearty and comforting dish that's akin to an oven-baked hug. This layered treat, brimming with sautéed eggplant, flavorful minced meat, and topped with a creamy bechamel sauce, is a must-try for any food lover. It's a soul-soothing staple that encapsulates the essence of Greek home cooking. Moving on to souvlaki, a beloved street food classic. Picture juicy, marinated pieces of chicken or pork skewered and grilled to perfection, then served in a fluffy pita bread with a generous dollop of tzatziki sauce. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's quintessentially Greek. And for those with a sweet tooth, you simply cannot leave Greece without trying baklava. This sweet pastry, made of layers of phyllo filled with chopped nuts, and held together with syrup or honey, is a heavenly end to any meal. But Greek cuisine is not just about these well-known dishes. It's about the fresh, locally sourced ingredients that are the heart and soul of every meal. It's about the olives and the feta cheese, the ripe tomatoes and the crisp cucumbers, the aromatic oregano and the robust olive oil. Each ingredient is a testament to the land's bounty and the locals' respect for nature. So, step off the beaten path and venture into the local markets. Here, you'll find an array of fresh produce, fragrant spices, and homemade delicacies that are the true flavors of the islands. And don't forget to visit the local tavernas, where you can enjoy these sumptuous meals lovingly prepared in the most authentic of settings. Pair your meals with a glass of exquisite Greek wine and there you have it. A culinary journey that tantalizes your taste buds and feeds your soul. So, indulge in the delicious local cuisine and make your island hopping adventure a culinary journey to remember. As you embark on your adventure, it's important to prioritize safety and respect. A Greek island hopping adventure can be the journey of a lifetime, but it's essential to remember the importance of being cautious and considerate. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Mykonos or the tranquil beaches of Naxos, always keep an eye on your belongings. Crowded areas can sometimes attract pickpockets, so it's wise to be vigilant and keep your valuables secure. As you wander through the islands, you'll encounter a rich tapestry of local customs and traditions. Embrace these cultural experiences with an open mind and a respectful attitude. Remember, you are a guest in these communities, so it's important to respect the local way of life. Whether it's a local festival or a quiet afternoon siesta, understanding and respecting local customs is part of the adventure. When it comes to water activities, from snorkeling to sailing, always adhere to safety guidelines. The crystal clear waters of the Aegean Sea are incredibly inviting, but it's crucial to respect the power of nature. Stay hydrated, apply plenty of sunscreen, and never underestimate the power of the Mediterranean sun. And remember, it's not just about personal safety. Being respectful of the natural environment should also be a priority. Leave no trace behind, respecting the pristine beaches, clear waters, and unique biodiversity of the islands. With safety and respect as your priority, your island hopping escapade will be both memorable and secure. So let's continue this adventure, keeping these important considerations in mind, ensuring a thrilling, safe, and respectful journey through the enchanting Greek islands. In conclusion, surviving a Greek island hopping adventure involves a mixture of practical advice, humor, and unforgettable memories. From selecting the perfect mix of islands to packing the right essentials, we've covered the key aspects of planning this unique journey. We've discussed the importance of understanding transportation options and booking in advance, as well as the joy of exploring local cuisine and indulging in traditional Greek dishes. In addition, we've emphasized the importance of safety and respect throughout your adventure. By heeding this advice, you can avoid common pitfalls and ensure your Greek island hopping experience is both smooth and memorable. Remember, the essence of this adventure lies in the balance of planning and spontaneity, of exploration and relaxation, and of course in the spirit of embracing the unique charm of the Greek islands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.